short little vlog. We've at the last minute arranged a couple of nights away to the Brecon beacons in southern Wales. So we're setting off now. I think the journey time is going to be about 4 hours. We are going to be staying at the Brecon Castle Hotel, which has got mixed reviews, but we'll find out when we get there. Let you know a little bit more about that. Apparently it's been on the hotel inspector and it didn't look too good, but hopefully it's all been done up and it's looking much better on the website now, so we'll just have to wait and see what it looks like now. We're going to have a little break in the journey at Oxford, which is about 2.5 hours away, so when we get there we'll show you a little bit of Oxford. How are we doing?
That's it, we're doing alright. We're about 10 minutes from the top there.
Oh my god.
Flat top. It's now nearly 5:45. It's going to be dark in another hour.
Oh dear.
So we've got to move.
Okay.
We do not want to be up there when it's dark.
Yeah.
The temperature's probably down just, I would say, mildly above freezing. Right, so let's crack on.
You got shorts on, have you?
We've got to the bottom. Through rain, wind, everything. But we've done it.
You did it.
That's it.
So it's actually really nice, the restaurant in here, and they do the all-inclusive thing for if you've been on a offer like we have. But I upgraded to the tempura vegetables, which is £1.50 extra, which is really nice, but really massive, couldn't eat it all. And I've gone for the nut roast, because I quite like that sort of thing. Tony's gone for the salmon.
Okay.
Is it nice?
Lovely, perfect.
Yeah, what's it with mash and stuff?
Yeah, mash, peas and lemon sauce.
So all in all, it's really good. We're really impressed. It's a lovely hotel, and I'll let you know later. The Waterfalls. We've already walked about a kilometre. It's pouring with rain, and we've just come down a really steep bit. Got to watch the footings. But the lady we just passed said it's well worth it, and I'll let you see it when we go. It is lovely. You can walk behind it. Yeah, there he goes. He's just on his way round.
Okay, so just about to walk behind the waterfall. Here we go. What's your footing around here? There we go. It's raining at the moment. But, there we go. Oh, it's nice and funny enough. It's nice to be in the dry. There it is. Wow. Come Haley.
It's coming down. I'm going to go right round behind there now. On the waterfalls.
taking their own route.
I thought that was connected.
Yeah, she's putting all the trees down.
I've got nothing to get onto.
Trying to hold her onto that stump. It's about a foot in front. Go for it.
Where? There isn't. It's not joined.
There's a stick coming out.
It's not joined.
No, there's a big stick coming out the top on the tree. There's a dive for it. There you go. Look, you can see the tree. See the trunk behind your head? Yeah, that's it. Now we can go around the other side of that tree.
Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah, that's an adventure then.
Not there yet.
It'll go wrong. That's it. That ain't connected, is it?
You better give me your hand just in case.
Yeah.
I'll start when I go to hold of that. I can do it.
Alright. See, did it? That's it.
I like you. Isn't that a funny one there? They do weddings and things here, and it's got a spa and stuff, so it's the main reception. So I'd just like to finish off with a little summary of the stay that we had in the Brecon Castle Hotel. It was really nice. It's been taken over since it was on the Hotel Inspector, and it was really nice. The room had a fantastic view. It was like being in Austria. You opened the windows, it was nice. The food, you know, for what we paid, the restaurant was really good. Service very good. I enjoyed it there. We had a really good evening in the bar with some of the staff and the barmaid. Really good night in there, and I would definitely return. It's a place to visit. It's right in the middle of, I'll say right in the middle. You come out the door and it's about a 2-minute walk and you're in the middle of the town centre of Brecon, which is a cute little town. Lots of coffee shops and interesting little places to look and see. The waterfalls are definitely worth a look. There's quite a few there. I think I put the name of the one that we visited. Really worth the hike down there, even though it was raining. It was really good. The one that we stayed in Oxford was okay, a little bit run down, but it was okay. You know, we had a nice evening there, a little walk around and that. So yeah, all in all, I really enjoyed Brecon, and would I return to Brecon? Definitely. I fell in love with the place, so give it a go. I've got to say that if you enjoy this video, I know I'm very new to this, but I do enjoy doing it, and hopefully there's a lot more to come. I've got more things in the pipeline to show you. Thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video, and please subscribe if you'd like to. It means the world. Thank you.